Bro, so guys, I was able to buy $5,000 400 account with less than 15,000 naira, guys. In this video, guys, I'm going to walk you guys through step by step how you can actually do same thing if you are interested in stuff like this. Right now, this is amazing news, and I don't know how long this is going to last, but guys, this is a good opportunity for you to start trading a live funded account without going through any form of challenge phase, right? Just go ahead, trade, make your withdrawals, and it's very sweet, guys. So guys, I'm going to be walking you guys step by step how I was able to do it. Now remember, this video I'm going to be doing it using Opay and Bybit. Right now, if you have a Naira, that is one of the easiest way for you to convert it to dollars. I'm going to be walking you guys through how I was able to achieve this. Now, without any further ado, guys, I'm also going to be trading it in this platform. So I'm going to be showing you guys all my trades I took on this account. If I'm able to make withdrawals from it, or if I blow it, you're going to be finding out. So make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and then turn on the notification bells and then like. Now, if you're not going to subscribe, no problem, but make sure you like this video, right? Because I want it to go as far as get to those who are interested in this kind of information. Now, without any further ado, let's just go straight to the video.
So step one, guys, you need to click on the first link in the description. That is going to bring you to this platform. And once you're here, you want to click on that text message that look like a message, right? And then what you want to do is click on search for help, right? As you can see on your screen. Okay. Now, once you click on search for help, you want to type for instant starter, right? As you can see right now, you click on the instant starter, right? Now, once you are here, what you're going to be expecting is to see these are the rules of the account you are going to be trading. Right now, once you have successfully gone all through the rules, understand how to follow them so you can get you click on the purchase link, as you can see right there. Okay, if you click on purchase link, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, now once you are here, you want to start putting in your information. Let me just go in and put in my information. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my email, right, and put my name and the rest of it. Easy online easy hustle at gmail.com. I'm going to be using this email for this tutorial. I'm going to put in my name, right? My name is Ezekiel. Surname is Nwachukwu. Okay, Nwachukwu. Yeah. So I'm a Nigerian, and then I'm going to put in my address. Okay, so I'm just going to type in right there. So you just go in and put in your address, wherever location you are, your state. All this information are very, very important. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to put your phone number. It's very important that you put in your phone number so that when you want to sign in to your account, you have alternative place that will send your confirmation codes to, or if they want to contact you or whatever. It's going to help you a lot if you have your phone number and those information on their database. So guys, after putting in phone number, there's something more important that you need to do, because definitely you're not going to be seeing $10 here. What you're going to be seeing is around $13. But for it to come back to $10, you need to put in this particular code. Right, there's a code that you need to put in for it to return to $10 so that you can actually get the account for $10, because what you get it for is around $13. So you just type in Tailord. Now, if you type in Tailord in this box and then you click on apply, Tailord, click on apply. Okay, now this money is going to turn from $13 to $10. Now, the reason you are seeing $10 here is because I've already purchased account from them. Okay, now you cannot buy it 2 times, you can only buy it once. Once you buy this account once, you're not allowed to buy this $10 account twice, right? So, and the next thing you need to do right now is to click on I have read. Okay, you click on crypto. First click on crypto, because that will be your mode of payment. Okay, do not use card, do not use debit card. Then click on I've confirmed, cancel, and click on I understand. Right now, this is going to load on a page that you're going to be making payments to. Okay, now remember I talked about Opay and Bybit. Those are the platforms we're going to be using to convert our Naira to crypto, because we're going to be using crypto to make this payment. And I want you to pay attention to this very particular part, because if you make mistake here, you're probably going to lose your money. Right, so you're going to do exactly what I'm showing you as you're seeing on your screen. Right, you click on the Theta USDT, and then if you come to this page, you want to click on BNB Smart Chain. As you can see, as I'm clicking it on the screen, BNB Smart Chain, and then you want to click on this box you're seeing on your screen right now. You want to click on it. Then it's going to take you to a page where you can copy the link. Now, this link is the very important link you're going to be copying. This is the link we're going to make the payment to. Now, if you don't understand anything I've done, go back and rewatch the video. Okay, so you don't make mistake and lose your funds. So you copy the link and let's proceed with it. So guys, this is Bybit platform. Now all the links to these platforms are going to be in the description. Now I want you guys to know that the links in the description are actually affiliate links. Now it's not going to add any extra cost to you. It's just a way of showing your support to this channel. Okay, so guys, go ahead and make use of the links to sign up to these platforms. It's going to give you a discount, and if they are offering a discount, they're going to give you a discount, and there are a lot of other benefits. So guys, once you are here, this is where I want to be, which is the Bybit P2P section, and then I'm going to try and see if I can make purchase from this particular guy. Right, this P2P, this guy is I'm trying to see if I can get 10 USDT from him, but it's looking like he does not have enough funds. So let me try someone else. Okay, let me just type the amount that I need on the search bar so that they're going to filter out all those that do not have enough funds to meet my target. Okay, so please, all these guys have above 10,000 naira. Let me try to buy from this guy. Okay, so I'm buying with via fiat. $10 is going to give me 13,895. Let's make it $11 to get 15,284 naira. Let me change this to like 10.05. That is 14,589. Okay, so now I've gotten the idea of what I need to do, right? So I'm going to go back to fiat, and I will just use 14.6. I think that will give me the exact figure I'm looking for. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going with fiat, so just put 14,600, and that's giving me exactly 10.5 USDT. So that's what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and do my bank transfers. So I just need to click on buy, and this is the information of the seller. I'll just go ahead and do the transaction via Opay. Okay, this guy is actually using Opay as well. So we're just gonna make payment after copying the account number. So I'll just post this number, and I'll send the name something query, right? So let me just go ahead and make the payment 14,600, and then click on confirm. Now I want you guys to watch all the steps I'm taking and follow same steps so you get same results. Okay, do not make any mistakes. Now I want to click on pay. Now I don't know why, because it's a new number, so I just have to answer some security questions from Opay. Click on orders and then continue with payment. It's that simple. Okay, now the payment has been done. Now it's important for you to save your screenshots because you're going to be needing it to be able to claim your USDT on Bybit. Okay, now the Opay link is also in the description. Go ahead and use it to sign up if you have not signed up to Opay. So also the Bybit link. So let me just go ahead and save this, and let's go back to Bybit. Let me try to claim my USDT right away because I've already made the payment. As you can see, my account balance is still $1.88. So let me just go ahead and try to claim my payment fast. Okay, because you know that when I left the platform, my Bybit app have closed itself, but that does not mean that the other have closed. Okay, so in case same thing happened to you, all you need to do is to open your Bybit, go to your P2P, and then click on orders. Okay, it's that simple. So that you see the orders running. Okay, as you can see on the down part of my screen, you can look at orders right there. I see one red marker there. So you just go ahead and click on it. And my network is kind of slow, so it's delaying this video. Okay, now as you can see, I have go ahead to what I need to do now is, first of all, I will have to upload the screenshot of the payment. Okay, because on Bybit, that screenshot you can actually confirm that you have made payment. So once you've done that, you just click on complete payment, and that is all. Okay, it's that simple. So once you've uploaded it, okay, click I understand, click complete, just click on tick on those boxes, and then click on complete payment, and that is all. Okay, as you can see, the payment is completed. right? So it's that simple. So as you can see, I just received notification that the money has been released, the crypto has been released. So let me just go back to my account and try to refresh. As you can see, the funds have appeared. Now it's time for me to go ahead and do the transfer to the app. First thing I need to do, I need to click on asset on my Bybit and then click on withdrawals. That is how to send money to another platform. Okay. Now let me allow this thing to load. Now I'm withdrawing via crypto. Okay, so you want to click on crypto, right? And I'm withdrawing USDT, and you want to click on on-chain transfer. The withdrawal is on-chain, not internal transfer. Okay, internal transfer has to do with Bybit to Bybit, but on-chain has to do with transferring to other networks. So you remember the network was selected, right? So I'm just going to go ahead right now and post the link. The link we copied earlier. Okay, let me just go ahead and post it, and let's look for the address, which is the BEP20. Remember, we selected a BNB network right there. Okay, so just follow this direction as I'm showing you right there. Now I want to put in the amount. Okay, and I'm also going to be adding the Bybit fee because there's a 0.2 fee for all for withdrawals like this. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding the fee as well. Let me just say deduct the fee from the amount. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding the fee to the amount. So the Bybit platform will deduct their own 0.2 fee from the total amount. Now that is how to do it properly. Okay, so that was going to be 10.25, right? So let me just type it right there. Delete that 25. Yeah, correct. So we just go ahead and click on withdraw and then put in my withdrawal credentials. In case if you have not done it before, you need to set up your withdrawal password and all of that. Bybit will require that you do that if you have not done it before. Me, I've already done it, so it's going to be a seamless process for me, but for you, you have to set all of that up, right? So guys, as you can see, my withdrawal is successful. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to Blue Guardian platform and then wait for my account to arrive. So guys, this message I received from Bybit, as you can see right there, my credentials. Guys, congratulations, you are now a funded trader at Blue Guardian. So definitely you're also going to be receiving same message, right? If you follow the process I've shown you, you're going to receive message and then you're going to see where to set up your password. All of those are going to be sent to your email that you put when you are signing up, right? So guys, it's that simple. You can go ahead and sign up right now. So guys, this is my MT5. As you can see, I've already signed up. So guys, as you can see, this is the history. The balance is 00. As you can see right there, this is the account. This is a live account that I can actually go ahead and start with trading and make withdrawals from, right? So once I start trading it, I'm going to be showing you guys everything. As you can see, I've not done anything on the account. This is the history. As you can see right there. So guys, this is the history. As you can see right there, I've not done anything on this account. So once I start trading it, I'm going to let you guys know. Okay, now that is how you can do that. It's very simple for you guys. I hope you guys know how to put in your credential on your MT5 account, right? If you guys don't know, just let me know. I already done a video about it in the past. I'll just share the links with you guys. So guys, it's not difficult to connect your credentials with your MT5 platform. And if you guys don't know what MT5 is, just go to your Play Store and then download your MT5. Then you can start trading this. It's very, very easy and direct. So guys, I hope you guys have gotten value from this video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And there's a lot of things that are going to coming up next, especially pertaining this particular trading account. We're going to be talking about it in this channel. Hope I don't blow it. That is for this video. I'm going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.